Class, our today's new topic is perimeter, area and volume. And first we will discuss on perimeter. So before I explain you perimeter, I just want to explain you some basic shapes. If you have this kind of shape where your all the sides are same, like I am talking about this shape. This is a shape where you can see all the sides of this shape is same, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Then we can say this is square. And if I am talking about this shape where your front side have a same length, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and here these two are your front side, so 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So we can say this and this is a parallel line, or we can say front side. So these two parallel lines have a same length and these two parallel lines have a same length. Then we can say this shape is rectangle. And about this, you all aware about this is your triangle. Suppose this is 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So these three are the basic shape which you already know. So now we are discussing on perimeter. Now what is perimeter, class? The total length of a boundary which forms a closed shape. So either it's your square, rectangle, triangle, or maybe any kind of shape like this. So these all are closed shape and they all contain a specific boundary line which we can measure. So the measurement of the boundary line is normally known as perimeter. So it means for perimeter you just only add the sides of the closed shape. Understand? Now class, suppose this is a square and the one side of this square is 3 centimeter. So you all know in a square all the sides are same. So if this is 3 centimeter, then definitely this is also 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter equal to 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, this one plus 3 centimeter plus this 3 centimeter. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 means 12 centimeter. So by adding the sides of the square you can get the perimeter. But class, we all know 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. If I am talking about this, then you all know the multiplication is a shortcut of addition, and if we add 3 4 times, then we can multiply this by 4 and in shortcut we can get the same result. So it means class, this 3 is your side is 3 centimeter. So in shortcut your perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. So by this formula also you can find your perimeter. This is a shortcut for a square. So if I am talking about now, suppose this square contains 6 centimeter side, then the perimeter is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. The meaning is 4 into side. It means 4 into 6 centimeter, that is equal to 24 centimeter. So by this formula you can easily calculate the perimeter of a square. So 6 plus 6 12 plus 6 18 plus 6 24, which is your answer. Now class, perimeter of rectangle. This is your rectangle, 8 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 4 centimeter. As you all know, the parallel lines are always equal in rectangle. So your perimeter is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. It means 8 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. The answer is 24 centimeter. This is a normal way by which you can easily find the perimeter. But class, there is another shortcut method also by which you can find the same answer. That is, this is your length, class. You all know this is your length and this is your breadth. And you all know your this length and this length is same, and this breadth and this breadth is same. It means you can find your perimeter by L plus B plus L plus B. Meaning of AB plus BC plus CD plus DA means L, B, L, B. So L plus B plus L plus B means L plus L 2L, B plus B 2B. So 2L plus 2B means class your length is, here you can see your length is 8, your length is 8 and your breadth is 4. So 2L plus 2B means 2 into L plus 2 into B. So 16 plus 8, that is equal to 24 centimeter, which is the same like this. So this is a shortcut to find the perimeter of rectangle, and your formula is 2L plus 2B. So this is important. By this shortcut also you can find the perimeter of rectangle. One more example class. 6 length, 2 breadth, 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2. The answer is 16 centimeters. So this is how you solve the perimeter of rectangle. Now if I am talking about perimeter of triangle, so perimeter of triangle means class sum of all the sides of this closed shape. So AB plus BC plus AC. So AB plus BC plus AC, or we can say CA. So what is your AB? 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So the answer is 17 centimeter. So it means class, to find your perimeter you just only add the boundaries of any closed shape.